Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is flamboyant. It is pronounced flam, boy, unt, and spelt F-L-A-M-B-O-Y-A-N-T. Think flam, flame without the E, boy, B-O-Y, and then ant, A-N-T. Flamboyant means someone or something that is showy and attention-seeking. It's a way to describe someone or something that is bold and colourful and stands out from the crowd. For example, you could say, the dancer was flamboyant and stole the show, or the costume was flamboyant and glittery. The word flamboyant comes from the French word flamboyant, which means to flame or to blaze. If something was flaming, it could grab your attention. See the connection? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, by Roald Dahl, centers on a magical chocolate factory owned by Willy Wonka. The chocolatier is known for his eccentric and whimsical personality, while his fashion sense and factory are extravagant and greatly colourful. Synonyms for flamboyant are showy, attention-seeking, striking, and extravagant. Antonyms for flamboyant include subdued, understated, and modest. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Flamboyant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.